Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit section name on Etsy website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So once you actually open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page. And of course, if you are logged in into your account, you'll find this sentence here. Welcome back, and adjust your name right here, or your username, whatever it is. So of course, if you're not logged in into your account, or if you don't even have an account, you will need just to go at the top right corner. You will find an option called sign in from there. Click on it and log in into your account if you have one. If you don't have an account, you can just go and create your account. Of course, you can do both, creating and logging into your account with a Google account, Facebook account, or even an Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account. So as we said, once you did that, you'll find yourself here at this home or at this main page. So from here, as we said, if you want to edit section name, simply will need to go to the shop manager. Where we're going to find that at the top right corner again and click at the shop manager. From here, you will find this page for you. So of course here you will need just to go and click at the listen option. And as you can see here, you will find all your listen. Of course, if you have more than one, you'll find them there. Of course, if you want to change the name of that section or of that listen, simply you'll need to go and click at this manage this listen. From here, you'd like to click add edit. And as you can see, if you scroll down, you'll be able to edit the title whenever you want. So of course here, you can like maybe picture. Let me just change it to picture made by me. And just hit the publish button at the top or at the bottom right corner. And as you can see, the title of this section has been changed. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching it. Goodbye.